Boldt HVAC is your trusted provider for air conditioner repair in Dakota County, Minnesota. With years of experience and a commitment to top-notch service, our team specializes in diagnosing and repairing AC units efficiently to restore your home's comfort. Whether you're dealing with unexpected breakdowns or need regular maintenance, we provide reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Don't let the heat disrupt your day. Call us today for fast, expert AC repair service you can count on. What are the common AC problems in Dakota County, Minnesota? Common AC problems in Dakota County, Minnesota include refrigerant leaks, frozen coils, and malfunctioning thermostats. Dirty filters and clogged drainage systems can also reduce efficiency and lead to breakdowns. What are the signs that your AC needs repair? Common signs that your AC needs repair include warm air blowing from the vents, weak airflow, unusual noises, or frequent cycling on and off. How to understand the AC repair process? Understanding the AC repair process starts with a thorough inspection by a qualified technician to diagnose the issue. Once identified, the technician will explain the problem and suggest repair options. What are the areas does Boldt HVAC provides AC repair in Dakota County, Minnesota? Boldt HVAC offers expert AC repair services across Dakota County, Minnesota, serving a wide range of cities to ensure homeowners stay cool and comfortable. Our service areas include Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, and Shakopee, Minnesota, among others. Where is Boldt HVAC's AC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue, South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota, 55337. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/Burnsville-HVAC.